Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best tires and wheels for the Toyota Camry. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or premium performance, we've got something for everyone. All the product links will be in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the CDWTPS TPMS Tire Pressure Monitor Sensor 4-pack. This set of sensors is a solid choice for Toyota Camry owners who need reliable tire pressure monitoring. One of its standout features is its pre-programmed design, which means it's ready to install right out of the box. It supports a wide range of Toyota, Lexus, and Scion models, and it replaces several OEM part numbers, which is a big plus for compatibility. In terms of build quality, you're getting a sensor with high-performance CR2032 batteries that are designed to last up to 8 years under normal use. The sensors are built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for all seasons. The lightweight design, just 6.7 ounces per sensor, ensures that your car's overall performance is not compromised. While the CDWTPS TPMS sensors are affordable and offer good performance, they do require activation with a scan tool, which might be a downside for those without access to such equipment. Additionally, the 4.0-star average rating suggests some users have experienced compatibility issues, so double-check your vehicle's model before purchasing. If you're looking for a budget-conscious yet reliable solution for tire pressure monitoring, these sensors are a great starting point. At number 4, we have the Dorman 939-121 wheel. This wheel is a direct replacement designed to match the fit and structural integrity of the original Toyota Camry wheel. With over a century of experience behind the Dorman brand, you can trust the quality and durability of this product. It's thoroughly tested for radial and axial runout, ensuring top-notch performance on the road. This wheel measures 16 inches in diameter and features a 6.5-inch rim width, making it a great fit for most Toyota Camry models. The black steel construction is not only durable, but also sleek, giving your car a clean and professional look. At 25.8 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which might affect fuel efficiency slightly, but ensures a sturdy ride. While it's a reliable and affordable choice, its weight and steel construction may not suit those looking for lightweight performance wheels. With a 4.4-star average rating from 349 customers, it's clear that this is a dependable option for anyone looking to replace a damaged or worn-out wheel. If you want a balance of quality and affordability, the Dorman 939-121 is definitely worth considering. Taking the third spot in our countdown is the marsflex TPMS sensor 42607-33021. This set of 4 tire pressure monitoring sensors is a versatile and reliable option for Toyota Camry owners. Compatible with a wide range of Toyota, Lexus, and Scion models, this product stands out for its pre-programmed design, which simplifies the installation process. These sensors are ready to go after a quick relearn procedure using a TPMS scan tool. The build quality is impressive, with alloy steel and ABS materials ensuring durability. The sensors also come with a long-lasting battery capable of up to 8 years of normal use. The measurement accuracy is within ±2 to 3%, and the sensors have a measuring range of 15 to 65 psi, making them highly reliable for real-time tire pressure monitoring. At only 7 ounces, these sensors are lightweight and won't affect your vehicle's handling. On the downside, the marsflex sensors require a TPMS scan tool for activation, which might be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, while the 4.2-star average rating is solid, a few users have reported issues with battery longevity. However, with a 1-year warranty and extensive testing during manufacturing, this product is a fantastic mid-range option for those seeking quality and reliability. Our runner-up today is the Dorman 939-194 wheel, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Despite its affordable price, this wheel doesn't compromise on quality. It's a direct replacement designed to fit a range of Toyota models, including the Camry. The black steel construction is sturdy and reliable, ensuring long-term durability for everyday driving. This 15-inch wheel features a 6.5-inch rim width and a bolt pattern with a 4.5-inch pitch circle diameter. It weighs just under 19 pounds, making it lighter than other steel wheels on this list. This lighter weight contributes to slightly better fuel efficiency and easier handling. Plus, it's backed by Dorman's century-long reputation for quality and thorough testing, including dynamic and radial run-out testing. The only real downside is that, as a budget option, it may not offer the same level of refinement or premium feel as higher-priced alternatives. However, with a 4.4-star average rating and excellent reviews for reliability, the Dorman 939194 is a fantastic choice for those on a budget who still want quality and performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dorman 939242 wheel. This premium option is designed for those who want the best in quality, performance, and durability. Like the other Dorman wheels on this list, the 939242 is a direct replacement for Toyota Camry wheels, ensuring a perfect fit. What sets this wheel apart is its superior build quality and performance testing, which includes dynamic radial and axial run-out testing. This 16-inch wheel features a 5-inch rim width and a pitch circle diameter of 114.3 millimeters. At 21.6 pounds, it strikes a balance between lightweight performance and durability. The black finish gives it a sleek, understated look that will complement any Camry. Manufactured in Colombia and backed by over 100 years of Dorman's expertise, this wheel is built to last. The only drawback is the price. It's the most expensive option on this list. However, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality wheel that's rigorously tested and comes with the assurance of Dorman's reputation, the 939242 is worth the investment. With a 4.4-star rating and excellent user reviews, it's no wonder this wheel takes the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding on the best tires and wheels for your Toyota Camry. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.